Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Tez from Tez and Tech. Thanks again for joining my channel. So today is a very exciting day because we got our hands on not one, but two brand new iPhones. So we have the iPhone 16 in this gorgeous pink color, and then we have the iPhone 16 Pro in this stunning desert titanium. I'm really eager to see what Apple has in store for these devices. So with that said, let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so we have the pink and we have the desert titanium. So let's actually start with the unboxing of the pink one, and then we'll move on to the desert titanium. So this one is I just got 256 gigs, and let's go ahead and unbox that, and then we'll just undo this tab, pull this stuff away, and then we'll go ahead and unbox it here. So here we are. So we have the iPhone 16 in pink, and just look how just stunning that is. This one's actually for my wife, so she is super happy. It has a really nice matte finish on the back, which is quite nice. And then we have the camera button here, and then obviously power, and then we have the volume up, volume down, and then silent toggle right on the left side here. So yeah, that looks really nice. And we have a USB-C cable this time, so that's quite nice. And then what else do we have in here? We have just documentation. And then I heard that they have done away with with your, the stickers. So that is actually an end of an era. So, and as it says, no SIM card needed. All right, so that is the pink color here. We'll go ahead and bring in the desert titanium. So this desert titanium is also in the 256 gig capacity. So let's go ahead and unbox this as well. Got all this stuff below. And then we'll go ahead and just do this. There we go. And we have the iPhone 16 Pro in desert titanium. So this looks really slick. I mean, that is a nice color there. So we have the camera button here, the camera control. We have the on and off power button here. So it says, and then we have the volume up and down, as we all already know. So let's go ahead and actually get this set up. So we're gonna go ahead and take this off. Let's put that up inside, and then a nice little behind the scene up here. Start this up, and let's do the initial setup. So yeah, again, this is a very nice color. On the back is a nice matte finish as well. This camera looks absolutely insane. And we have, yeah, it's just the design is really, really well done on this guy. All right, so we have this initial setup, so we already know what this is. United States. Let's do appearance, do a quick start. I'm just gonna set up just with nothing on here. Let's do it without Wi-Fi. Oops. Continue. Let's go ahead and move this out the way as well. Let's get this trash out the way as well. Alrighty. So I might just skip through all this activation stuff. Okay, so I kind of got past the initial setup process. So this is the activation process. So this is the actual portion of the just like the preliminary setup. So it's talking about the action button. So it's saying I can press and hold the action button to silence to turn on the silent mode, on and off. And then also this action button can be customized for opening the camera, flashlight, or access to a favorite iPhone feature. So let's go ahead and customize. So here we go. It does this nice little animation. So I assume I could swipe over here to the right. I can enable camera, flashlight, voice memo, little recognize music, and translator, magnifying glass or magnifier, shortcuts that I can customize. So that's pretty awesome. I can do some accessibility feature, and then no action. So I just have it do absolutely nothing. So let's just say, for argument's sake, we'll just go ahead and leave it as default for the silent mode. But I'm really interested to see if profiles maps to this button. So if I switch it to another profile, does that allow me to enact another action? So the camera control is going through a quick little tutorial how to use the camera control button. So it says click the camera control to open the camera app, then click again to use the camera control as a shutter. So that's pretty awesome. So Siri, we'll go ahead and set that up later. And again, for Apple Intelligence, Apple Intelligence is not going to be available until, I believe, later this fall. I don't know if there's a definitive date, but as of now, they do have the beta that's available, the public beta and the developer beta that's available. But, you know, the official release is not until later this fall. So if I click on it, it will take a picture. So that's pretty awesome. And if I want to, let's go to the front-facing camera. So here I am right here. So we have the front-facing camera here. And if I wanted to use it again, looks like I'm able to do so. So if I click on it, I can take a picture. That's pretty neat. All right, so let's go ahead and flip it over. So yeah, so that is the iPhone 16 Pro. Comment below if you have any feedback or any questions. And with that said, thanks again. See you in the next one.